Welcome to Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you'll learn how to record purchases and sales in Tally Prime. Let's first record a purchase. Press V for vouchers. Here is a quick tip for you. You can simply toggle between different voucher types using the keys available in the side menu. If you wish to access other voucher types not listed in the menu, press F10 for other vouchers, type name, and select the voucher type you want to access. This way, it is easier to navigate to different voucher types without the need to remember the shortcut keys. Press Escape to go back. Press F9 for purchase. Here, you can change the format of invoice depending upon the nature and usage. To do this, press Ctrl+H for change mode. Accounting invoice is suitable for recording service bills. As voucher, to record the transactions in debit-credit mode. I'm selecting Item Invoice mode to record inventories purchased. Press F2 and type the date. Type the invoice number and date of the bill your supplier has given you. Select the supplier's ledger. Next, mention the receipt details such as GRN number, dispatch details, etc. Press Ctrl+A. The supplier's details are automatically captured from the ledger. Press Ctrl+A to accept the screen. Select the purchase ledger. Press spacebar and you get the list of stock items that you have created. Select the item you have purchased. Enter the quantity and the rate. Once all the stock items purchased have been selected, press Enter and come to the field after the total line. You can see that the list immediately changes to show the list of tax ledgers and other ledgers such as packaging charges, carriage, etc. that you may want to select. I'm selecting the transportation charges. Mention the amount. Press Enter. Type a narration for the voucher if required. The narration is nothing but a short explanation of the transaction for your future reference. Press Enter. Press Y to accept the transaction. Let's now record a sale. Press F8 for sales. Select the customer's ledger. You can enter the dispatch and order details if required. Press Ctrl+A to accept the screen. The customer's details are automatically captured from the ledger. Press Ctrl+A to accept the screen. A tip for faster entry. In case the dispatch details or editing the party details are occasional in nature, you can disable these so that your normal flow of recording transaction is not disturbed. To disable, press F12 for Configure and set Provide Buyer Details and Provide Receipt, Order and Import Details to No. Whenever such occasional details are required to be mentioned, press Ctrl+I for more details and specify the details as required. Press Escape and select the sales ledger. Press spacebar to get the list of items and select the item you are selling. Enter the quantity and the rate. Press Enter to move to the field after the total line. You can select the tax ledgers such as GST, VAT, etc. as applicable. Also, the other additional ledgers such as transportation, discount, etc. can be selected. Enter the narration if required. Press Y to accept the transaction. If you want to print the invoice for this voucher, press Page Up. The previous voucher is shown. Press Alt+P to print. Select Current. If you want to see the preview of the invoice before printing, press I for Preview. Press F4 to zoom. Press Escape to exit the zoom mode. Again, press Escape to come out of preview mode. Press P to print the invoice. Escape to go back. Here is a tip. You can create new voucher, view and print other reports right in the middle of voucher entry using Go To and Print menu. All these without losing the details that you have entered. That's it. Recording purchases and sales in Tally Prime is that simple and quick. Just like purchase and sales, there are other voucher types available in Tally Prime, helping you account different nature of business transactions. To toggle between different voucher types, use function keys shown in the side menu. Press Alt and Control key to see additional voucher types. To access these, use Alt or Control plus the key given next to the voucher type. Or you can simply press F10 for other vouchers. Type and select the voucher type that you want to use. In another way, you can click the arrow next to vouchers to see more vouchers related to it. Here is a quick recap. Recording a purchase and sales transaction. Preview and print the invoice. Keys to access various other vouchers types in Tally Prime.